You want to hold the camera? Alright.
Turn left onto Wolf Island Road.
Here we go.
Open the windows.
Turn it off.
Turn what off?
The GPS.
Jesus Christ.
Okay, now live over here.
Crazy people. Give me a sec. There you go. Is there anyone on this road? Anyone at all?
Who died on this road?
Is there, do you hate pale face?
Better comment. Access to it.
Did it just sound like it said get out?
What's your name?
Do you want us to leave?
Do you want us to get out?
Are we not welcome here? We don't mean any harm.
Is there anyone here?
Do you hate us?
Are you good or are you bad?
Hello?
Can you repeat what you just said? We didn't quite catch it.
Wampanoag.
There's a car back of us. I love how every time we come down, like, these desolate little roads, there's always a car back of us. Static.
Is there anyone here?
If you're with us, what is my name? Can you tell me your name? It sounded like it just said meta. Yeah, it's just me, just thinking. Oh good, it's a little graveyard.
Is there anyone here with us?
Is there anyone in that graveyard?
What'd you say?
That's our
Got it.
Should I turn it off and use voice recorder? Oh,
This is the end of the road.
already? Oh wow, that's quick.
Yeah, we're on it. we're turning on it now, yeah.
Alright.
Gonna turn on that voice
Yep,
box.
let's turn it on one more time. Is there anyone here? We're coming through one more time. Anyone at all? Now's your chance to speak. Is there anyone in this graveyard? Anyone at all? We mean no harm.
Is there anyone here with us?
Anyone? Did it sound like it said get out?
Did it?
Yeah, it did. It keeps sounding like it said get out.
No problem. Did you say get out?
Did you just tell us to get out?
Did you die on this road? Was there an accident? Were you drunk?
Are you a native?
Who is in this forest?
Keep looking up to the trees too, see if I see what the legend says.
My jaw's tightening up. I'm serious. I'm not kidding.
We be your doors tightening up.
My jaw.
Your jaw?
I swear to God.
Is that you? Get out.
Steve. I'm serious.
You want to keep going?
I think we should get out. My jaw. Like, feel it. I'm serious. I'm not playing around.
If that's you, you have to leave her alone.
Steve, I'm serious. I'm not playing around.
I'm going to keep driving before I already have one there.
Like, feel my jaw.
Holy shit.
Guys, I feel like pressure on my shoulder. I think we need to get out of here.
Yeah, I felt it too. This isn't even like playing around.
We need to get out.
If this is you, you have to stop.
We're leaving.
We are leaving right now.
I'm serious, Steve. There's like something wrong. I'm not playing.
We're almost out. Please do not follow us. I will end the session right now. Thank you and have a good night. Holy God. This is gonna sound so...
Seriously, there's something wrong.
Kids, you okay?
Are we out of here?
We're out. We're at the end of the road. This is gonna sound so weird, and I cannot even make this up in any way, shape, or form. I literally just had the biggest... almost like an energy surge, it feels like.
You okay?
You okay, Court?
I'm serious. I don't know what the hell happened.
Oh my God.
Now it feels like a weight off my fucking shoulders.
I just got it again. Court.
Ooh, your hands are freezing cold.
Here, take this. Hold that. Those grounding stones. It literally felt like a it felt like my body was like vibrating.
I think you need to delete that video.
Like it felt like I had like such a surge of energy coming through me. But yeah, no, like it felt like there was like almost like somebody doing like a pressure point on my shoulder.
It literally felt like someone was going like that on my chest.
See, it felt like this. Like it felt like somebody was like going like that.
Did you feel anything? Honestly? Right after Courtney said her jaw was tightening up.
I was wondering if it was for you. And feeling anything.
I swear on Alice's soul. No, Courtney, I seriously swear on my aunt's soul. Shit.
I didn't see anything in the trees.
Is my hand still cold?
No, it's warm now. That's crazy.
Let me see, Courtney, have your hand?
Her hand was like cold.
Are my hands warm? Yeah.
I didn't see anything in the trees, but I felt it.
Record a video?
Yeah,
Yeah.
too
I want to
actually.
see the video.
Yeah, save it.
Seriously.
I did see.
I wanna see.
I'll edit
You've
it
never acted
too.
like that before.
Raise
I
like
swear
the
on my
brightness and
aunt's soul.
everything.
My jaw felt so tough. Somebody was like holding it. Like lock, yeah.
Yeah,
Like lock jaw.
your jaw was so. I've never felt. I have even.
I swear to God, I'm not making that shit up. I swear.
I felt it.
Soul.
I felt it, and I mean.
like honestly, like when we started getting like to the middle, like my fucking heart. Like,
Yep, it was like
It felt like
palpitating.
my heart was like fucking like.
It felt like something was fucking pushing on my chest.
Yeah, me too.
I mean, I would like to put this on YouTube because I want to do like shit for YouTube. That's like it's like guaranteed, like it's not fake. Like this is no.
I just felt sad.
I swear to God.
I felt a sadness
It's
too.
like it stopped and then I was like.
But like not sad that.
Crying. Like I honestly don't know why I started crying.
I'm surprised if it was like Native American stuff. I'm surprised nothing came at me because my ancestors were here back in the Pilgrims.
Maybe that's why you didn't feel it.
But I should though, because they hate my bloodline more than anything.
Maybe they didn't want you to feel it. Like I didn't feel like I was.
That I love feeling.
Like I didn't feel like I wanted to cry, but like it came over me like when we first like crossed over. It was like I felt like wow, I don't know why, I feel so sad. Like I genuinely felt bad for some reason. For who I don't know, but I just felt so bad. And literally there's like no way we could have even just faked this. I wish that like there was more lighting so that way like we could have like showed what happened, but I mean also too would have like ruined a bit of the experience for us. It's as soon as we crossed over from the paved road onto the dirt road, it was like get out. That's all it kept saying.
That was the first time.
Yeah, it didn't want to talk.
Happened after the cemetery too.
It did not want to talk. It just kept saying, get out.